Hello friends, welcome back to another Monday motivational video. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. Rather, yes, this is what you all must be doing as exams are approaching so fast. So today I will tell you how to create a study habit. Now study should be the one thing that you should do now for the remaining time because that will help you. I'll tell you 5 steps to create a study habit that will help you clear the exams. The first tip is to select a study habit. Now, firstly, you have to select a study habit for yourself, as in list the activities you can do regularly to reach an academic goal. Think about the activities that suit your learning style. As in, what happens, some students learn it better by writing and some by hearing, and then choose the time of the day you'll do your habit. So make sure you're doing all these things to make a habit, selecting a habit. The next is define the study habit. Now your habit should contain 3 things, as in trigger, action and reward. Trigger means how to start. How will you start? By writing, by listening, by taking classes, or by simply reading it aloud. Then action, how will you do it? And the last is reward, as in once you do it, once you learn it, how will you reward yourself? By giving something to yourself that you love eating or watching something that you love watching. So that is how you can actually define it. Repeat it daily. Now, as it's a habit, do it every day at the same time, whether in the morning, whether at night, because some people say, it takes 28 days, some say 30, some say 60. So basically it depends from person to person. But I will tell you, try 30 days and see the progress, and don't skip any day. That is the best advice I can give you, that please don't skip any day and repeat it daily, because it's a habit and habit should be repeated every day. The next point is track your study habit. Now make notes of your study habits every day for about 30 days, as in write down how much, time period are you following? How much habit are you following? Are you following it all or are you not following it all? That is how, and include the columns for the number of days, the date, trigger, action, reward, comments you have. So whatever you feel like about your study habit, inclusive of that, write everything. Then evaluate the habit. Just like we say, that planning is not enough. Evaluation of your planning is the most important thing. So evaluate it. After 30 days, assess whether the habit, it's automatic or not. If not, then continue to do it and track your habit and see if it's effective or not. So you can either change your habit or you can improve it by yourself, but a habit is a must. See, for studying, habit is very, very important, because that will let you pass the exams, that will help you clear the exams, because that is why we say make a study timetable, make a study routine, because just like a habit, routine is also the same thing. So it should be a habit. It shouldn't be like, should I do, should I not do, I am delaying, I am procrastinating. The best way to overcome these delays and procrastinations is actually making it a habit, making it a routine. I hope this video helps. All the best for your CA, CS, CMA exams, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Bye.